The goal of establishing Ghana's manufacturing plants and assembly plants, as well as broadening the automotive industry, is progressing massively, as the country launched the ambitious automotive development policy, which is driving a massive development in the sector, leading to numerous vehicle assembly plants sprouting up. So stick to this video to the end to know more about this impressive car manufacturing scheme that is enabling Ghana to expand the sector, ensuring that Ghana's automotive industry becomes viable, as 6 manufacturing and assembly plants are already in full operation. Before we begin, be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Let's get right into it. With a strong focus on sustainable transportation and improving the nation's manufacturing, as well as a strong determination to make Ghana self-sufficient in its automotive sector, government unleashed the Automotive Development Policy with one vision, which is to make Ghana a fully integrated and competitive industrial hub for the automotive industry in the West African sub-region. It has attracted significant investors from both local and international players. This influx of capital and expertise is fueling the growth of the vehicle industry and positioning the country as a hub for vehicle manufacturing, assembly and innovation. The automotive policy has paved the way for the establishment of state-of-the-art electric and traditional vehicle assembly plants and research facilities across the country. These facilities, like Japan Motors and others, are equipped with cutting-edge technology and staffed by skilled engineers and technicians, ensuring the production of high-quality vehicles that meet international standards. Ghana's automotive industry has witnessed the emergence of strategic partnerships between local manufacturers, global automotive giants and technology companies. Collaborations between these sections have led to the transfer of knowledge, advanced manufacturing techniques, and the adoption of smart mobility solutions within the vehicle ecosystem. The automotive assembly participants so far include Silver Star Ghana, Volkswagen Ghana, Japan Motors, Rana Motors, Kantanka Automobile and Stallion Group Toyota, and many more to come, enabling the country to assemble vehicles from renowned brands like Volkswagen, Toyota, Suzuki, Nissan, Peugeot, Hyundai, Changan, Kia and Kantanka, which are all brands being assembled in Ghana, offering customers a wide range of options to meet their transportational needs. This is positive news for the automotive sector, which is expanding rapidly. The Automotive Development Policy has also sparked innovation in renewable energy infrastructure and other automotive technologies. Ghana's vehicle plants are expanding very fast and could potentially change the way Ghanaians deal in cars. According to Asad Nazir, the chief executive officer of one of the assembly plants, Silver Star Auto Limited, the 6 vehicle assembly plants in Ghana are producing 8 global brands of vehicles for domestic, regional and continental markets, all thanks to the Automotive Development Policy launched by government, he stated. This has led an influx of investment and is testament to the effective implementation of policies in Ghana, setting the country apart from many others in Africa. The automotive industry is growing and flourishing because of the Automotive Development Policy, which is the necessary framework launched to establish assembly and manufacturing capacity in Ghana, and according to the CEO of Silver Star, is also creating a myriad of job opportunities for Ghanaians, as the expansion of the vehicle industry has generated employment across various sectors, including manufacturing, research and development, engineering, sales and maintenance. This surge in job creation contributes to economic growth, poverty reduction and overall improvement of livelihoods in Ghana. The impact of the policy extends beyond domestic boundaries. Ghana is carefully positioning itself as a key player in the African vehicle market and aims to export locally manufactured vehicles to other African countries. The government's dedication to creating an enabling environment for car manufacturers and investors has solidified Ghana's position as a preferred destination for sustainable automotive investment in Africa. As Ghana's automotive industry expands further, the country is set to reap its benefits of a sustainable market for locally assembled vehicles to be predominantly utilized in the country. Hopefully, as Ghana's automotive sector continues to grow, it will show a positive impact on the economy as a whole. If you like content like this, be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more informative videos like these. Also, check out this video next on other massive projects going on right here in Ghana. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this video out.